welcome to my channel. With over 400 videos on my channel, there's lots of great videos there to watch on bikes, cars, all sorts. So, what is today's chat about? Well, we've all got cars, and we've all got alloy wheels on our car. And you know when you do that horrible thing in your car, when you're driving along, or you're parking up, and you know that noise I'm talking about, where you curb it and you go, oh, why? And you're sitting here and the person goes, ooh, glad it's not my wheels. And you always say at the back today, knob. It's just not helping, is it? No, no, no. Which is a different reaction than when you hit a pothole. Because it's funny, you hit a pothole, the whole car bounces, and the first thing you do is go, oh, sorry, apologise to the car. Then you go, bloody cancel, whoa, fill the holes. Anyway, curbing. Now, two sorts of alloy wheels you've got, ordinary and diamond cut. Now, if you watched a couple of my videos, you know I've got diamond cut alloys. And I was getting quotes, 20-inch alloys, I was getting quotes from £80 upwards. And when someone actually went to see them, because you see how bad they are. That is just pants, isn't it? And of course I damaged the bits while getting these bits here. And that's just one wheel. The other one, I mean, oh dear. Not good, is it? And again, pretty much the same story. Ouch. You had to have gripped your teeth when you did these ones. What can be done? Well, there are wheel specialists everywhere. With a diamond cut, this sort of thing here. And when you get to 20-inch alloys, the bill went from £80 to £130 each. So there's another way we can do this, powder coating. That's damn good stuff. Bit like my cup of tea. And that's what I've decided to do. Man coming in a minute, and he's going to take all four wheels off. Hopefully when I come back, you'll get to see what they look like. Only takes a day, so that's brilliant. And I'm also wondering, while I've got this off, do I do the calipers? And if so, what colour? Decisions. I'm going for red. And the back ones look quite new in there. But the problem I've got is the Wif's car. Look, they're red. And actually Brembo, yeah, okay, the S1s. These are diamond cut as well. Let's hope it doesn't scratch these. So anyway, bit of a windy day. Like magic, they'll be off. Axle stands and back tomorrow. Let's have a look what they look like when they've been done. Now, colours. Didn't want black or gloss black. I don't want white. Silver's quite nice. I've gone for the gunmetal grey, which I'm guessing is going to come out like this sort of colour, but all over. Shall we see what it looks like? Let's go for it. Hover jag, hover jag. Right, excuse the wind. There we go. Red calibre, and the same on here, and the same. Does look funny, doesn't it? And here we have them. 4 very nice powder coated wheels. Let's have a look. You want to say cue the music, don't you? The one thing to do now, let's get them on the car. So they are finally on the car. Let's have a look round, shall we? Do you know what? I have to say, thumbs up. Now you might have noticed it's missing the dust caps. Well, they're back at the shop, so I'm going to have to get myself another set of them. However, all in, very nice. And if you notice, the way the light sort of reflects on them, you do still get this two-tone look. But compared to what they were, wow. £220, all 4 wheels done from place in Mould, and this it's called the Wheel Hub Mate. Find them on Facebook. You need to make up your own mind now, whether to get them diamond cut, done again, or powder coating. For me, for the price I paid, and I did save a lot, £220 for all 4 to be powder coated. That's picked up, taken off, next day brought back, fitted. Tyres are balanced as well. Happy days. You just can't knock that, can you? And now I'm back on the road again. Well, thank you so much for watching. Okay, I can't avoid it any longer. The red calipers. I'm just not sure. They will fade when they get a bit hot and a bit of dirt on them, but I'm not sure now. We'll have to see. Well, come on, what's your view? Please like, share and subscribe. Hoverjag, Hoverjag.
I don't know, you put it on, I just held it.
Mark Savage here, welcome to my channel. Over 400 videos and a cup of tea. But what are we talking about today? Yes, it's my Jag, and I'm talking about the wheels. Now, as you know, I had all the problems with the wheel nuts and locking nuts and so on. That's all been sorted, but they're all curved and scratched and can be done. Well, there are wheel specialists everywhere. The problem is, the moment you say alloy wheels, diamond cut, you can immediately just, well. So what's today? So there you are, you get out and look and use the magic finger to think that when you rub it, it will disappear. But it doesn't, does it? And that's where I was. Terrible, terrible wheels. Have a look at them again. So, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.